How many of them could've did it with finesse? Not everybody like she really is the best.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. I am back with a synthetic lace front wig review slash tutorial. Synthetic lace front. I know I said I wasn't going to do those anymore on my channel, but I could not resist this one. It is yellow, fresh squeezed lemon yellow. So to get into her, we're going to talk about her because this video is all about her. For one, if you're interested in seeing how I apply this unit from start to finish, stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you don't care too much about what I'm saying right now, skip forward to the end of the video. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. But moving on, I received this hair from Amazon.com, and it is from a seller named Lucyhairwig. So I did receive this unit super fast because I do have Prime. So you know, if you have Prime, you get it in like, what is it, 2 days, 48 hours? Boom. So package came Amazon Prime. It came in this bag here, and it just says Lucyhairwig lace front 24-inch wig. So this is a 24-inch synthetic lace front unit. I will be sure to, hold on, let me show y'all what I'm working with. Look at, yes, there we go. Okay, came in a really nice body wave, but I just couldn't get with the body wave for this look. And I think because I took it out of the bag so many times and folded it up and put it in the bag, the body wave was like bending in certain areas and it just looked crazy. So I went ahead and I flat ironed the hair. So that right away tells you that this hair you can apply heat to this hair. I didn't put my flat iron anything above, I think, the 270. So I didn't even do 300. Although when I read this little pamphlet that comes with the wig, it does say that you can use it up to 320 degrees. So it came in a really nice body wave. I will insert clips of how the unit comes to you. And one thing I really do like about this is it has soft lace. That's a big deal when it comes to synthetic lace front wig. A lot of them come with hard lace. This one comes with soft lace, so it's a lot easier to work with the hairline. So I do like the hairline on this unit, although it could use some plucking. You don't really have to, but I like how full it is. It's super full, and it had a little bit of like transparency, so it wasn't too dense. There was some dips in the hairline, and you gotta appreciate the dips because everybody's natural hairline has some dips in it, so I do appreciate the dips that come in this hairline. There are 3 clips in here, 1 in the center, 2 on the sides. There's adjustable straps. For the price, this unit was $39. We're just going to round it up to $40. It's a $40 unit. This unit does tangle a little bit, like it's 24 inches, it's synthetic, it tangles, but the quality is really nice. It's really full. I'm going to turn around and show you guys what the back of it looks like. I want to see if it can hold some curls because I did see some really pretty hairstyles with this color hair that involved like some waves with some curls. So I do want to try something else with this wig. So that is basically it for this unit. Like I said, if you guys want to see how I applied this fresh squeeze, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I want to thank you beauties for watching. All links will be down in the description box. And until next time. Oh, and happy Halloween, y'all.